I'm wet! I'm wet!
Matt, look! Matt,
Yeah!
Matt! Matt!
I feel so dirty. Come on, guys!
No, not get wet. Matt, you got a picture with that small Asian kid? Look. The documentary of a retarded kid. The documentary of a retarded kid. Dude, Matt's gonna fall on you, dude.
My shoes! Can I get this shoe?
Sorry.
Dude, can we get the shoe in there?
The documentary of a retarded. Dude, you almost hit your camera, dude. Aw.
Come on, get me. I'm on leak. Come on, guys, get wet with me.
I'm good. You're gonna go home and your grandma's gonna be like, what the hell happened to you?
You won't be up. Hello? Oh, should I really do it? Here, hold my camera.
If you want to. No one's stopping you.
Should I take off my shirt too? Okay.
I wouldn't even get away.
I'm starring.
Fat boy. Lord ass. It's like,
Okay, come on.
just hit him. Oh shit. You gotta move over if it's gonna get you.
So attractive, Matt. Hold on. No, it's crazy.
You're just getting your shoes all wet.
Goodness gracious. Did I really do this, guys?
Come over here and tell us how it was. It's going, Matt, it's going.
Oh, what? Oh, fuck.
You should have told him. What? You told him what?
Uh-oh. No, keep going.
Still how you feel. He's got boobies. Whoa.